Hi there, I wanted to show you a sneaky way on how to incorporate that pretty marble into your wedding decor. Go into Home Depot or Lowe's, go into their tile section, and you have a ton of options. This one is an 8-pack for $6. So you can go one of two routes. You can either hand write the numbers on there, or you can get stickers. So once you've finished your numbers, you need something to stand them up on, and I found these and I just loved them. These were $12. Then you can just simply hot glue them. You could also go the route of using the little guys as name cards, sort of different, so it's not just a piece of paper. The last thing I found that seemed like a wonderful idea was this big chunk of tile. Whew, it was $4.